And welcome to Grace and Lottie's Elizabeth here. Going to be looking at another Christmas coloring app because it's Christmas, and why not dive all into the festive fun? And today's app is Christmas Artbook, so I thought that would be kind of a fun little one. We'll see if it's arty or not. And I've already got it open right here. You can see some of these, and this is my first time looking at the app, so we'll be looking at it together. I kind of like that this has likes and dislikes. That's pretty cool. We have mysteries. Okay, this is really kind of fun. Oh, we've got animated again. Well, I did animated in the last app review. Let's see if animated is as fun in this one now. Artworks. Okay, I'm kind of curious. Classic. Paintings. Black. Okay, so it's a black background. Surprise! Pop art, okay, mystery, and pixel art. So we've got some interesting ones. I like there's not a ton of different themes here, so it's going to be kind of fun to jump in and check these all out. So let's just start in. We'll go to animated, since animated was so fun in the last one. Okay. And we'll see how this goes. Now, they're really wanting us to do the Black Friday sale. I don't know. Let's see. How much is this guy? Okay, the price for this one is way better. $19.99 for the year. Okay, I can kind of go that. $4.99 a week, $9.99 a month. Okay, so not as bad as several of these that I have seen before. But $19.99 a year, that's like a little bit more than, let's see, it'd be like $1.50, almost $2 a month. I say that's doable. If you really like this app, $2 a month to not have ads if you're doing this a ton. Makes sense for me. Okay, highlighted area in blue. I'm going to go to gray. Actually, we'll stay with blue and see how it goes. Show finished pics, show comments and feedback. Auto select next color. Looks great. Okay, looks like we're going straight in. I'm not seeing anywhere for sound, so I don't know if this has sound or not. We will find out together, so let's go ahead. Let's see, which one has the most likes? Ooh, that one has a lot of likes. 11 likes, 12 likes. It's like 12 likes is our highest. Oh, 13. Can we beat 13? 16. Okay, now I'm curious there. Looks like 16 likes is our highest. So let's see here. Oh, we have a dislike. Okay, not many dislikes. So that's interesting. Okay, so let's go to the one that has the 16 likes. 12 comments on this one. Oh, there is music. We're going to pause the music for right now. I don't know how much of it might be copyrighted. Okay. We have a free hint ready to go. So let's hop right in with the one. Oh, the blue is very easy to see right now. Okay, pretty simple, larger shapes. I'm able to find these pretty fast. Yeah, I'm just flying through with these right now. Cute little penguins here. I'm really curious if the ball is going to have a design on it. Like, I feel like that may be our little surprise. Unlike the one from last week, this is not animating as I'm coloring it. That was quite the adventure, coloring one while it was moving. You know, it kind of felt like a video game where you're trying to dodge. Yeah, I'm curious what's going to animate with this. Okay, 27 is going to be our last one. This one's pretty simple. I'm wondering if all the artwork's going to be quite this simple, or if there'll be a little more involved. Yes, there it was. We had a little surprise there at the very end. I enjoyed that. Look at him. Hello, snowman. That is fun. Okay, that one, I'm glad it was like, that was like nice and quick. So I'm going to go ahead and hop in and do a couple more pictures, and then I'll talk to you and let you know what I think about it after doing a few. every single one of the categories. I tried to pick one that was rated pretty high in each one. So let me kind of go through my thoughts going back to artworks. Now the artworks one I colored down here. You can see right there. It was a 12. It was another, 12 likes. It was still pretty simple like the first one. Classic was also pretty simple. I colored that little guy. Paintings, on the other hand, this is where this one took a little while. You can see him. He's got a lot of color right there. Let me kind of go in here too. I'll show you this. Now, if you want to rate, you have to log in. You have to do a sign in. And so you can't just like sign up with email. It's an Apple, Google, or Facebook. So I did not sign in. Also notice, have you guys seen an ad pop up other than the banner ad? No ads. Other than banner ads. It's like, this is pretty sweet. I'm like, at first like, did I do something wrong? Like, I have not gotten bombarded by ads, which is pretty cool. Black was also pretty simple here. Surprise. Oh my word. Surprise took forever. It was a hard one, but you can see right here when it's zoomed out like this, it was a pretty good picture. Like, that's a lot of detail right there. Looks almost photorealistic. Now, when you get in close, just like the other one, it's a little more like a paint by number, which I like the look of a traditional paint by number personally. I enjoy that type of art style. So if you enjoy that, you'll probably really like this. This app does not have a lot of like the blend features that a lot of apps will have in it. It's a little more straightforward color. Now in pop art, it did kind of like get my hope up that it was going to be a little more newsprint, but only her dress and the background really had that newsprint like texture. I thought that was going to be kind of fun to get like textures in there, but nope, just the dots. So I was like, oh well. And then mystery was a lot of fun. This one was a different, I scrolled all the way down here, the picture that I did. Let's look and see if it'll show you right here. It was like puzzle pieces. There were little dots all over that I had to tap. And that was really cool. It was a lot of fun to get to do it. Like I was like, tap, 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 tap. And it just kind of magically filled in as I was going. I thought this is pretty fun. It was something different, really fast. Like did not take a long time to do. It was very fast paced on that. Pixel art was like pixel art. It did have the standard drag where you could like drag your pen on it and stuff. Nothing super difficult about that. The one thing I can say is that it did not highlight the selected color like to where it was really easy to see that against the others. So sometimes finding the number was a little bit difficult, but there weren't that many numbers there. So it wasn't like it was very difficult. It was just like, oh, I have to really pay attention to the numbers versus just looking for what area is shaded with that. So that is the app as a whole. I did listen to the music. The music is very Jingle Bell forward. It will say 3 out of the 4. There's only 4 songs on the loop. 3 out of the 4 songs had jingle bells as the percussion in the song. So you heard a lot. It was a lot of jingle bells. One song did not. It was a quieter song, so I was kind of glad they did not try to lean into jingle bells on that one. Like, no sleigh bells ringing and that song. So that is it for this app. It was a lot of fun to get to do, and I enjoyed it quite a bit. The fact that there was a little bit of something different in this one was a lot of fun as well. So that is it for today. Another app next week, coloring app. It'll be another Christmas coloring one. So looking forward to getting to do that, and I look forward to seeing you again next week. Bye.